Hello, everyone. I think that we have a lot of. I'm just waiting for a couple of more people. Thank you all for joining. Uh, Elena, you're here. Been a while.
Yes, man.
Hi, Machan. All right. So I just want to give you an additional, sort of thought. Now, if we look at the game, why are you doing SEMA? Transcript of what you get. So if you want to show proof of your education, if you want to apply for migration, some sort of other country, they ask for this. So this is my personal SEMA transcript. And obviously this document is to confirm that N.A. Branuddin, having completed the institute's qualifying examination, provided evidence of the requisite practical experience. You get this letter. Mr. Branuddin is a member in good standing with SEMA, right? So this is what you want as proof, right? This is the game. This is why you're working so hard, and of course this certificate, right? This is my certificate where they say this to certify that Nilfa Azman Branuddin was admitted as an associate of the institute on the 10th of September 2015 and is entitled to use the description chartered management accountant. You get, the whole certificate. So ideally, I don't like what I wanted to show you is to motivate you to say these three are very valuable documents in my life. They have helped me a lot, and they have uh, put me in a very credible position, right? So very competent position, and I have reaped the benefits of that, in addition to all the social benefits you get of becoming a SEMA member. So if you finish this paper successfully, this is what you will get. You'll get your transcript, you'll get your letter, proof letter as your member, and you'll get your certificate, right? So I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, wish that all of you will work hard, and you'll get qualified as chartered management accountants, and you'll also be part of the same fraternity I belong to. Yeah. On that note, please, if I tell you something very personal, why I'm doing the SEMA SCS this way is because I feel like a lot of students around the world. What happened was during COVID-19, I posted this video that you see. I extracted my content because I did it online that session, and I posted my video. And as of now, there's 2,400 views, and I started getting so many emails from students who actually needed help. Who Then I realized, because I hadn't tapped into the global arena other than my work in Doha and India, which are coming through systematic channels, right? But there are so many of you who really need help, and I decided that I could, and it really blew out of proportion. Charles is a partner with me in that sense, in us figuring out how to help more and more students, and that is how this whole thing began. So it is a really organic and humble beginning, and I'm overwhelmed. Thank you all for joining the session. Please connect with me. There is always that space and room, and I honestly hope that if you decide to work with me, that we will spend quality time with each other over the next couple of months, and then beyond that we'll be friends and be together. I just want to yeah. So I've been doing this for a very long time, and I've really enjoyed myself. I love working with students. I call them learning partners, because most of the people I work with are either have very large amounts of experience. There's so much connectivity that I enjoy. So I hope that I get to work with you as well. Do connect with me over LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. I hope to engage with you, whether you decide to join or not, or at some later date. Either way is fine. Whatever you choose is fine. Given that you have joined this session, it makes you my acquaintance, it makes you my colleague, and I honestly hope to see you around. Thank you very, very much. On that note, that marks the end of the session Why SEMA SCS with AZB. Yes, Tanuja, let's definitely. All right then, brilliant. Thank you very much. I will see you around. All the very best. Keep learning, keep smiling, stay happy, even if things are tough. things will always get better. The night is darkest just before the dawn. So I know we are going through turbulent times with COVID and then with all these economic crises and all that. But let's keep working together. Let's keep helping each other, and let's be the best possible versions of ourselves. See you all around. AZB signing out. Thank you very much.